In this task, we need to install HTTPD on all app servers. Then we need to create this file with this content, and we need to set these permissions on this file. They already do have an inventory file. If you get into the directory Ansible, you can say inventory. Now let's create playbook.yml with cat command. So let's create that. The name should be install httpd in all apps. So you can name it anything. And here I'm gonna say become yes, because we need root privileges to install something on the system. And then hosts, on all hosts. Then let's create tasks, and one of the task name, you can name it anything. I'm gonna say installing httpd, and then I'm gonna use yum package, yum module, because we know all of these servers are all apps are based on CentOS, so yum would be fine. I'm gonna say m name httpd and state present. If you're wondering how I know this, you can Ansible m package manager, scroll down, just look an example. It's m repository actually, so if you can say m name this, we can use, because they are installing multiple packages, that's why they use this thing. It's a list, so you can use this way. State present, that looks fine. So it's gonna install httpd, and then I'm gonna create I'm gonna say create index file. For this one we have to use blockinfile module, so search with blockinfile in Ansible. If you scroll down, you can see examples. Blockinfile, then it expects path, so let's do that. Blockinfile, and then path /var www html, and then file name index.html, and we need to set the owner Apache and group Apache as well. You can look at the task. Owner should be Apache and group should be Apache. We need to set this permission 0777, so that comes with mode 0777. You can check all of these available things here. You can see path, owner, it expects string, mode, it expects any, so that's what we did. And then we need to use create as well, because it creates a new file if it doesn't exist. So this one doesn't exist, then create, it should be true. And then we need to create block the pipe and give the content. So this is going to be content. It's going to add lines on the top and end. So I'll show you that once we deploy this pipeline, this playbook, once we run it. And here it says do not use any custom or empty markers, so don't use them. Now we install httpd, and then we create this file. Now we need to start the service. Start Apache, give it a space, and then we are going to use service module, name httpd, state started, get this one, jump back, paste it, Control C. Now run the command Ansible playbook and inventory and then playbook name. Before running it, I'll open another terminal. step 01, 02, and 03. It's not gonna work. So once you run this playbook, it's gonna install httpd and then creates this file with this content, and then it start the service. Then you can see here it's been successful. If you go to this terminal, if you run it now you can see. Now these are markers, so even we can remove them, but as per the task, you're not supposed to use any marker. App server 2, 1, everything is working fine. If you click on check, it's been successful. Thank you so much for watching.